Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's intraday analysis video brought to you by the creators of proprietary price, pattern, and time methodology. Learn the PPT strategies and profit for life. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. All right, into the charts we go today on this beautiful Monday, March 4th, 2013. The S&P, Nasdaq, and Dow are all slightly up. Really been a flat day except for this little bit of a breakout we just saw in the markets. The S&P's up 3.5 points, Dow's up 15, Nasdaq's up about 4. Couple key standouts today. Chinese stocks are getting hammered after the Chinese government basically announced new measures to curb the real estate bubble there, including a 20% capital gains tax on selling any sort of property. So again, very impressive new measures, and it's freaking out. At least initially, it kind of made the markets freak out overnight. The futures were down as much as 10 points on the S&P 500, but again, as we've seen today, volume returned to a very anemic level, and the markets have moved up since then. So again, we have the spiders up about 42 cents today. Next resistance on the SPY will be the double top right here. It's actually a triple top level because if you zoom out, you can see back on the 25th we hit that level, and the 28th. That again is your next target for resistance on the SPY. All right, notice the parallel trend lines right here. This is a level you were kind of consolidating in on Friday's session. It continued today, and then you got the breakout. So again, notice again how if you draw the line right here connecting this pivot, and this pivot, you got a little bit of above it, never confirmed for those of you that know proprietary methodology and confirmation signal. You never confirmed, therefore you would sell off. Came right down to that low trend line, and then you bounced, then you closed above it, wait, and then you confirmed right there. That tells you that it's a true breakout and will probably continue higher. So again, nice little move in the markets today. A flattish day on about 64 million shares traded a little after 2:30 p.m. Eastern time. And we are seeing again the markets neutral to positive on this Monday. Now, a couple key notes here. First of all, the USO hit my key level. I gave this to my members in last week's nightly technical analysis videos, which are part of the Research Center 7-day free trial offered. I said this is your level you're looking for on the USO, which is the oil ETF. This is where it's going to be a buy. Gap fill right there at the end of the year. Basically a scene of the crime return before it started to blast off. Look at today's low, see that tail piercing it, and look at the reversal today. Beautiful level, classic, right there for anyone to take. Plenty of shares available, and that was the level I gave to members. So another profitable call right there on the USO. Another stock that I've been telling you guys and retelling you, even in these free videos, I've been giving this to you guys. I said Apple would go to 421. I said maybe even lower, but that is your first target. Even when Apple was jumping here, I said, nope, guys, it's still going back to 421. Guess where it hit today? 421. Why is that a significant level? There's a gap fill right here. Take a trend line, draw it right across, and look at what it matches up with perfectly. Gap fill, see the gap right there? That's your level on the Apple chart. That is major support. Now, again, eventually I think it could break, but in the short term, that is holding this stock up very, very nicely. And again, I'm beginning to salivate myself. Haven't taken a long position just yet. May do it this afternoon, may do it tomorrow. Again, if you're a member of the Research Center, you will get those calls and alerts when I do take that position. But again, bottom line is, the prediction was that it was going to go there. That's where it is, folks. That is absolutely where it is, and quite a move on Apple. A lot of people thinking that it has bottomed out a while ago. I kept on saying it's going lower. At $700 and change, I said, guys, this is a top. Analysts were upgrading to $1,000 price targets. I said, nope, they're insane. They know nothing. Who knows why they're even an analyst? And look at the chart collapsing back down from literally 705 high to $421. I mean, think about the decline there in that stock. Absolutely amazing. Unbelievably amazing. Other stocks in motion today, we're seeing BIDU. As I mentioned, remember the Chinese stocks were under pressure. If you look at BIDU today, a little bit of a drop here. Not down huge, but it is down. Has come off its lows. Today we scalped this in the intraday stock chat. By the way, 7-day free trial available for that as well. And guess what our buy level was? A Pierce of 89 right here. My exact buy price was 88.94, which is right down here. Look at that move off of that level. How do I pinpoint these levels? It's simply called the proprietary PPT strategy or methodology. It's proprietary in nature. We teach it to our members. We use it to make calls. That's what gives us our 80 to 90% success rate. We made more money last week for swing traders, just like the week before that. Day traders last week had a great week. We've already got off to a great start this week, today in the intraday stock chat. The money just keeps multiplying. And that's why members continue to come to us and stay with us, because they make money, simply put. I mean, that's what it's all about. So nice little move off there. Great level on BIDU. I don't like it for a swing trade yet, but I do like it, obviously, as the day trade off of that level was a great level. And again, it has paid us decent amounts of money today there. A couple other stocks in motion. Google continues to climb higher. Google will continue to go higher, folks. I do not have another major resistance level on Google until, really, it looks like, for me right now, I'm calculating it out, $835 or so. That seems to be the level on Google. And again, just be aware, I will be shorting that if it achieves a key level. Now, I have to analyze it a little bit more, make sure that level's the case. But again, I will release that level. Most likely, I think I'll be releasing that level in the hot charts and alerts, which is part of the research center as well. Either tonight or tomorrow, I'll be releasing that key level on Google. I just have to calculate it out a little bit more. It's right around that 835 level, but I have to reconfirm that, obviously. Might be a little bit lower, might be a little bit higher. I will do those calculations based on the PBT proprietary setups this fine evening. All right, so that's what we have going there on Google. Very nice to see. Very nice gain there. Amazon's having a strong day today, up $5.94. Classic move up. Even with Apple weakness, it's amazing to see the strength here on stocks like Google and Amazon. Both very, very strong today. Amazon up $5.81. Daily chart's not that great because you still have resistance right up here on the daily chart, along with this area right here, which you're just above. So there's still some resistance up here. But again, in a decent market, a float market, these tend to be, Google and Amazon tend to be the biggest, hottest trades out there that the market seems to want to grab hold of and push higher. BlackBerry today is down a little bit. Notice the bearish pattern here, a little bit of a bear flag. Yahoo announced that they would no longer require the usage of BlackBerries, going away from them. It's just one more company to go away from BlackBerry, to go away from research in motion here. That's a bearish pattern. You guys know my targets. I've talked about them endlessly in this video. You're looking at a 10.5 to 10.25 target here on BBRY, which again is research in motion, or BlackBerry, whatever you want to call it at this point, whatever they want to be called at this point. JP Morgan Chase, a strong stock, kind of in line with the markets today. Had a nice pop right here a couple candles ago, taking it to the positive side. It's only up 16 cents though, so it's nothing to break the bank on. On the other hand, Goldman Sachs having a very strong day, up $1.50. That's a decent move on Goldman Sachs today. Chevron's up 81 cents, while Exxon's down a little bit on the day. All right, so that's what we have there, and we'll continue to kind of follow things and keep everything in line. But that's what, again, the markets are showing me right now. Keep your wits about you and just continue to focus, and we'll continue to keep you guys updated. Come join us here. Join the research center if you want to be a swing trader or an investor with an 80 to 90% accuracy. If you want to be a day trader, then join the intraday stock chat. Rock with the pros, profit for life. That's our motto, guys. Join today and profit for life. Have a great afternoon, great evening. I will talk to you all soon. Take care.